Lee, thanks for coming in to see us today, mate.
Absolute pleasure.
So, I wanted to have a bit of a chat to you about Marxent. Been a press release that you guys have won a load of work with John Lewis, so it's amazing.
Right.
So, I'd love to know a bit more about Marxent and what it is you guys actually do.
Yeah, so what we do, we provide a 3D platform for retailers, and we manage all their 3D assets, which I can explain a bit more about, so they can do different experiences, like virtual reality, like augmented reality, and different experiences. And in John Lewis, they're using an iPad in store. You've got a new home, or thinking about a new home, and you can draw the room quickly, and you can put products in 3D into the room.
Right, okay.
And that will really help you to visualize your space. That's what they call it, visualize your space. So you can see, I don't know, will that rug go with that chair? Will the wall colour go with the selection of furniture that I'm thinking about? So you can try and get rid of those challenges to help them buy.
I see, okay, fine. So everything you've got, VR, AR, AI, these are kind of things that fall within kind of the 3D space.
Yeah, so we have, it's a 3D cloud platform.
Right.
So from there, John Lewis at the minute are just doing iPad with virtual reality in store. But they could think to do maybe online at home, so you could log on your Mac as well after you've been in the store to do a design, and you can have a look at home and, I don't know, show some family members or friends and say, I was thinking about this, what do you reckon? And well, that doesn't really go, or is that really going to fit? And then you can change the design at home, and you could then come back in store and see it in virtual reality.
Okay.
And then there's different experiences like augmented reality.
Fine, okay. So you hear a lot about it, it's talked about a lot, and it's a buzzword, VR, virtual reality. Is it a gimmick? Is it here for good? What's happening?
Is it a gimmick? Is it? Look, it's been around for a while. So virtual reality, 3D, like decades. For consumers, there was a lot of buzz about everyone's going to be buying headsets and living their life in like Real Player One, like in the headset, live their life. That's not there for the mainstream yet, and it's going to be a few years, but there are certain use cases in virtual reality that make sense. So if you go into a store, at John Lewis, at Macy's, at Lazy Boy in the US, and you want to try and get a sense of size, a sense of style, with like a range of different products in your home, like a very personalized experience, VR is an absolute winner. You put the headset on, you can see the size, you can have a look around the table, you can walk around the room in effect as if it was your own room.
Right.
It's just not something you can do by looking at the chair in a showroom or looking at the chair on a website. So it is real, and with that there's real ROI.
Right, okay.
So Macy's CEO, so Macy's like equivalent of, I guess, very similar retailer department store in the US. Their CEO has publicly stated it's reduced returns by 25%, which is an absolute killer stat. Like one of the biggest things that retailers struggle with is returns. So 25% reduction in returns and a 45% increase in average order value. So what that means is that they're actually selling 45% higher basket by using VR and 3D.
And what's causing that? Because I can see the returns, but people can actually see, that's what that product's going to look like in my house or whatever it might be. Okay, right, there's probably less likely that people are going to bring it back.
Yeah.
But what's causing the increase in revenues?
What that is that people are coming in maybe to John Lewis with a mindset that I'm thinking about a sofa or a chair, but then they're thinking more about the room design. So, I haven't thought about a side table. That's not really going to go with my side table. So while we're here, shall we have a look at the side table? Like, have you thought about a lamp on there? So it's the fact that you can quickly design a whole room or combinations of products that people are actually buying more because they feel more confident that this is the right choice, rather than buying one by one, wait for it to get delivered and like, okay, so now we need a rug. It's, well, while I'm here, let's see if the rug works with the chair, with the sofa, with the side table.